Hello students, welcome to Anne's classes. Let's do Understanding Shapes, exercise 16b. Page number 192, the multiple choice type. Choose the correct answer from the options given below. Each interior angle of a regular polygon. A regular polygon is what polygon? It is a polygon in which the interior angles are equal, sides are equal, and the exterior angles are equal. Such a polygon is called a regular polygon. So here in this question, each interior angle of a regular polygon is double of its exterior angle. So the number of sides in this polygon is one of these. So what are we asked to find? The number of sides of a regular polygon whose interior angle is double its exterior angle. Okay, so now to find the number of sides in a polygon, there is a formula, and that formula is this. To find the number of sides, we say 360 degrees divided by the exterior angle. Now in this case, we don't know what the exterior angle is. That means if we have to find the number of sides, first we have to find the exterior angle. So let's start by saying let the exterior angle be x. That means the interior angle will be 2x. Why will it be 2x? It will be 2x because here it says each interior angle is double the exterior angle. Double, that's why 2. So the exterior angle is x, the interior angle is 2x. Now there's another property of exterior and interior angles of all polygons, that is at each vertex of a polygon. Vertex is the point where two lines of any polygon meets. So at each point there, the exterior angle and the interior angle will add up to 180 degrees always. Okay, so remember at each vertex of a polygon, exterior angle plus interior angle will add up to 180 degrees. So that means x plus 2x will give us 180 degrees because x is the exterior angle and 2x is the interior angle. So this will give us 180 degrees. Now x plus 2x is 3x. 3x is equal to 180 degrees. That means the value of x is equal to 180 degrees divided by 3. So this is equal to, now when you divide 180 by 3, you can cancel 3 6s are 18 and the 0, so you get 60. That means x is equal to 60 degrees. We have found the value of x and x is 60 degrees. And what is x? X is the exterior angle. Remember, we started by saying let the exterior angle be x. So now we have found the value of the exterior angle and that is 60 degrees. Now why do we need to find the exterior angle? Because we can use this formula to find the sides because we have been asked to find the sides. So now let's use this. Number of sides of a regular polygon is 360 divided by the exterior angle. We just found the exterior angle to be 60. So we can do this division like this. 360 divided by the exterior angle, which is 60. Now cancel, and 36 and 6, 6 6s are 36. That means this is equal to 6. So what have we found? We have found the number of sides of the polygon. Here we've been asked to find the number of sides. We found it to be 66, and which is the option here? It is option C. So option C, 6 is our answer. Question 2. The sum of all interior angles of a regular polygon is 1260 degrees. Then the number of sides in the polygon is. So here sum of interior angles is given. We are asked to find the number of sides. We can apply the formula sum of interior angles of a polygon equals n minus 2 into 180, where n is the number of sides. So here number of sides is n. That is what we're going to find out. And the sum of the interior angles is already given to us in the question. So here we can say the sum of the interior angles is 1260 degrees, and this is equal to n, which we don't know. We're going to find out n minus 2 into 180 degrees. So now let's simplify this. So here we have 1260 degrees. Now here let's open these brackets. So when we open, and since it's multiplication, we have to multiply 180 by n and 180 by 2. So 180 into n is 180n minus 180 into 2, which is 360 degrees. Now, to find the value of 180n, we can say 1260 degrees, and we can transpose this minus 360 to the other side. It will become plus 360. And all this is equal to 180n. Now we can find the value of n after adding these two. So let's add up 1260 and 360. So here we have 0, 6 plus 6 is 12. Then here we have 6 and we have 1. So this is 1620 degrees is equal to 180n. Now to find the value of n, we say n is equal to 1620 divided by 180. So when we divide this, we can cancel, and here also we can cancel 18 ones and 18 into 9. So we have found the value of n, and n is equal to 9. And what is n? N is the number of sides as it's given there. N is the number of sides. So we have found the number of sides of this polygon, and that is 9, and that is option C, 9. Question 3. The sum of all interior angles of a polygon is equal to the sum of all its exterior angles. So in such a polygon, the number of sides will be one of these. Okay, now to find the sum of all interior angles of a polygon, we know the formula. This is the formula, isn't it? Sum of interior angles of a polygon is n minus 2 into 180. And we know that the sum of exterior angles of a polygon is always 360. That means this is equal to this. So n minus 2, let's write it down now, n minus 2 into 180, which is the sum of the interior angles, is equal to 360, which is the sum of the exterior angles. Now we can find the value of n. So again, let's multiply n into 180. So that becomes 180n minus, multiply these two. 2 into 180 is 360. Okay, it's equal to 360 degrees. Now 180n is equal to 360 degrees plus 360 degrees. How did we get that? We transpose this from the left hand side to the right hand side. It's become addition. So 180n is equal to 360 plus 360, which is 720. So now we can find the value of n by saying 720 divided by 180. Now let's simplify by cancelling the zeros. Now we can cancel 18 and 72, 18 ones and 18 fours are 72. So we have found the value of n. N is equal to 4. And what is n? N is the number of sides of the polygon. So our answer is 4, which is option A. Question 4. If each interior angle of a regular polygon is 1/3 right angle, the number of sides in the polygon is this. Okay, so here we have given the interior angle of a polygon, that is 1/3 right angle of a right angle, and the number of sides is what we need to find out. Now whenever we have to find the number of sides, we have to use this formula. That is, number of sides of a regular polygon is 360 degrees by the exterior angle. That means we need to know what the exterior angle is, isn't it? Now here exterior angle is not given, but what is given to us is the interior angle. So first let's work out what the interior angle is. So each interior angle is given as 1/3 of a right angle, which is right angle means 90 degrees. So let's simplify this. 3 ones are 3 plus 1 is 4/3. I've converted it to an improper fraction. Now I'm going to multiply it by 90 degrees here. So I can cancel 3 and 90. 3 3s are 9 and the 0 30. Now multiply these two. So here I have 4 3s are 12, 120 degrees. And what have I found? I have found the interior angle. Now we also know that interior angle plus exterior angle will give us 180 degrees. And how much is the interior angle? The interior angle we found out to be 120 degrees. Exterior angle we don't know, we'll call it x, and this is equal to 180 degrees. Now to find the exterior angle x, we say 180 degrees minus 120 degrees. So now we have found the value of x, and x is equal to 60 degrees. So what is x? X is the exterior angle. Now we can use this formula to find the number of sides. Now here it is 360 divided by the exterior angle, and we found the exterior angle to be 60 degrees. So 360 divided by 60. Cancel. Now we have 36 by 6. 6's are 36. So here we have 6. That means the number of sides n is equal to 6. So which option is that here? That is option C. So let's take option C, 6. Question 5. The ratio between each interior angle of a polygon and each exterior angle of it is 3:2. That means interior angle to exterior angle is 3:2. Now we have to find the number of sides. Remember, whenever you have to find the number of sides, you have to use this formula where it says number of sides of a regular polygon is 360 divided by exterior angle. We don't know the exterior angle. So let's find the value of the exterior angle. Now what is given to us is exterior angle is to interior angle is 3:2. This is already given to us. So if the exterior angle is 3x, if we take it to be 3x based on this ratio, that means the interior angle will be 2x. So now we have exterior angle and the interior angle. We can use this property which says exterior angle plus interior angle is 180 degrees. So let's find that. So 3x exterior angle 2x interior angle is equal to 180. 3x plus 2x is 5x is equal to 180. Now we can find the value of x. X is equal to 180 divided by 5. So here we can say 5 ones are 5, 5 threes are 15, there is 3 left, 30. So 5 into 6 is 30. So now x is equal to 36. So we have found x to be 36 degrees. Now let's go back and find the exterior angle. Exterior angle is 3x, which is 3 into x, which is 3 into 36. Now how much is 3 into 36? That will be 108. So the exterior angle is 108 degrees. Now we can find the number of sides because we have found the value of the exterior angle. So number of sides n is equal to 360 divided by 108. We can simplify this with 2, 3, 4, 6. Now let's try 6. 6 ones are 6, is 4 left. 48. 6 eights are 48. Now here we can say 6 sixes are 36. So 60 by 18. We can reduce that further. We can say 2 nines are 18. 2 into 30 is 60. We can reduce that further by saying 3 threes are 9. 3 tens are 30. So here what do we have? We have 10 by 3. And this is a fraction. Now the number of sides, remember children, the number of sides should always be a whole number. It cannot be a fraction or a decimal number. So now this, I can make it a decimal number or a mixed number, but this is not a whole number. So what is our answer here? Number of sides is none of these answers. It's not 6, it's not 4, it's not 8. It's none of these. So this is our answer. Question 2. Fill in the blanks. We have a table here and there are some blanks given. We need to fill it up. Let's read the question. In case of a regular polygon with number of sides, if the sides are given, find the exterior angle and the interior angle. If the exterior angle is given, find the sides and the interior angle. If the interior angle is given, find the number of sides and the exterior angle. Now number of sides is n. Okay, now let's find the exterior angle in the first question because we know the number of sides. So let's use the formula. Exterior angle is equal to 360 degrees by n. This is the formula to find the exterior angle where n is the number of sides. So let's find the exterior angle here. 300. Now this is for question 1. 360 by n will give us the exterior angle. Now n is the number of sides, so it is 360 divided by 8. Now let's divide 360 by 8. When you divide, you get 45. That means the exterior angle is 45 degrees. Now let's write that here. So here in the blank, 45 degrees for the first one. Let's get the second one also. So to find the exterior angle, we say 360 degrees divided by n, where n is the number of sides. So 360 divided by, in the second one, the number of sides is 12. So here, when you divide 360 by 12, you get 30 degrees. So here the second one, the exterior angle is 30 degrees. Now, when you know the exterior angle, then the formula to find the interior angle is this. That is, exterior angle plus interior angle will be equal to 180 degrees. So in the first one, the exterior angle is 45 degrees plus the interior angle we don't know. So let's consider the interior angle to be x. Together they should add up to 180 degrees. So interior angle x is equal to 180 minus 45, because this 45 degrees that we have here, we're going to take it to the other side. Here it is plus, so when it goes to the other side, it becomes minus. So x, that is the interior angle, is now 135 degrees. So let's write that. So here it is 135 degrees for the first one. For the second one, exterior angle we found out to be 30 degrees, isn't it? So let's write exterior angle is 30 degrees, and let's consider the interior angle to be x. Together they must add up to 180 degrees. So x will be 180 degrees minus 30 degrees. So x is equal to 150 degrees. So we have our answer to the second one also. Interior angle is 150 degrees. So now the exterior angles are given. We have to find the number of sides and the interior angle. So let's use this formula. Number of sides of a regular polygon, to find that, that is n, it is 360 divided by the exterior angle. So number of sides is n. To find that, okay, what do we do? So n is 360 degrees divided by the exterior angle. So in the first one, the exterior angle is 72 degrees. So now we have to divide 360 by 72, and that is 5. That means the number of sides in the first question, the number of sides is 5. So let's write that here. So here it is 5. The number of sides is 5. Now let's find the number of sides for the fourth one also. So this is the third one and the fourth one. Let's find the number of sides. So number of sides, the formula is n is equal to 360 degrees divided by the exterior angle. This time the exterior angle in the fourth one is 45 degrees. So let's divide 360 by 45. And that is 8. That means the number of sides is 8. So let's write 8 here. So can you see we have found the number of sides for the third one and the number of sides for the fourth one. Now we have to find the interior angle here. So let's use the formula, that is exterior angle plus the interior angle should be equal to 180. Now, exterior angle for the first one is 72 degrees. That is the fourth one. Exterior angle is 72 degrees plus the interior angle. Let's consider that to be x. Both should be equal to 180. So what is the value of x? X is equal to 180 degrees minus 72 degrees. And that is 108 degrees. So we found the interior angle for question 4, for question 3. This is question 3, and that is 108. Let's write 108 degrees. So question 3 we have found. Now let's find the interior angle for question 4. So for question 4 again, what do we say? Exterior angle plus the interior angle should be equal to 180. Exterior angle is 45 degrees and let's consider the interior angle to be x. Both together should add up to 180 degrees. Therefore, x will be equal to 180 degrees minus 45 degrees. And how much is that? X is equal to 135 degrees. So let's write it here. So here we need to write 135 degrees. So 135 degrees. So we have found the answer to 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now we have to go to the fifth and sixth ones where the interior angle is given. You must find the number of sides and you must find the exterior angles. So let's find the answers to questions 5 and 6 where only the interior angle is given. So in that case, what do we say? Exterior angle plus the interior angle will give us 180. So first let's find the exterior angle. So exterior angle will be, now here we don't know what it is. So let's consider exterior angle to be x plus the interior angle is 150 degrees. Together they must give us 180 degrees. This is for question 5. So now to find the value of x, we say 180 degrees, that is on the right hand side, minus 150 degrees. So x will be equal to 30 degrees. So for the fifth one, x is 30 degrees, which is the exterior angle. So let's write that 30 degrees. Now, let's find the exterior angle for question 6. So question 6, let's write it here. Question 6 now. Again, exterior angle we don't know. So let's write x plus the interior angle, which is 140. Can you see? It's 140 for the sixth one. That is the interior angle. So let's write plus 140 degrees is equal to 180 degrees. So x will be 180 degrees minus 140. So that is equal to 40 degrees. That means the exterior angle for the sixth one is 40 degrees. So let's write 40 there. So that is 40 degrees. Now we have to find the number of sides for both 5 and 6. So let's use this formula and find out. So for the fifth one, interior angle is 150 degrees. This is equal to n minus 2. We don't know what n is, into 180 degrees divided by n. So I can use this formula, that is interior angle is equal to n minus 2 into 180 by n, or to make it easier I can use the formula for exterior angle also. Since we've already used that, I'm going to use this to help you understand that you can use this also, though this is slightly indirect way to find. If you use the exterior angle formula, you can find it easily, but let's learn to work this also. Now this n, I'm going to take it to the other side, it's division, so it will become multiplication. So this becomes 150 into n is equal to n minus 2 into 180 degrees. So 150 into n is 150 n. Now here we have to multiply 180 first by n. So that becomes 180 n minus, now I have to multiply it with 2. 180 into 2 is 360. So now if I bring the n's to one side, it is 150n minus 180n is equal to minus 360. This will be minus 30n is equal to minus 360. Therefore, n is equal to minus 360 divided by minus 30. We can cancel the minus signs, cancel the zeros. 36 divided by 3 is 12. 12 threes are 36. So the number of sides is 12 for the fifth one. Now we can do the same way using this same formula and find for the sixth one also, or we can use the formula for the exterior angle and find the answer easily. So let's do that. So for the fifth one, we use the formula for interior angle. For the sixth one, since we have found the exterior angle, we can use the formula to find that. The formula is exterior angle is equal to 360 degrees by the number of sides. And exterior angle here for the sixth sum is 40 degrees. Okay, this is the sixth one. So now to find this, we just have to say 40 into n. 40 into n is 360. So to find the value of n, we say 360 divided by 40. So here we can cancel the zeros. 4 nines are 36. So we found the value of n to be 9. That means number of sides is 9. So can you see, children, here in the fifth one, I use the formula for the interior angle. For the sixth one, I use the formula for the exterior angle because we have already found the exterior angle. You can use one of these to find the number of sides. Now we can do the same way using this same formula and find for the sixth one also, or we can use the formula for the exterior angle and find the answer easily. So let's do that. So for the fifth one, we use the formula for interior angle. For the sixth one, since we have found the exterior angle, we can use the formula to find that. The formula is exterior angle is equal to 360 degrees by the number of sides. And exterior angle here for the sixth sum is 40 degrees. Okay, this is the sixth one. So now to find this, we just have to say 40 into n. 40 into n is 360. So to find the value of n, we say 360 divided by 40. So here we can cancel the zeros. 4 nines are 36. So we found the value of n to be 9. That means number of sides is 9. So can you see, children, here in the fifth one, I use the formula for the interior angle. For the sixth one, I use the formula for the exterior angle because we have already found the exterior angle. You can use one of these to find the number of sides. Question 3. Find the number of sides in a regular polygon if its each interior angle is 160. So this time the interior angle is given, you must use that formula. Okay, and the formula is this. Interior angle is n minus 2 into 180 by n, where n is the number of sides. So remember, n is the number of sides. So let's find the number of sides when the interior angle is given. For the first one, it's given to us. It is 160. So let's substitute that and write. So interior angle is 160 degrees, which is equal to n minus 2 into 180 degrees divided by n. So here we can take n to the other side. It will become multiplication. So here let me put it here. So this becomes 160 degrees into n. And on the right hand side I have n minus 2 into 180 degrees. So this is 160 into n is 160 n. And on this side I have to multiply 180 first by n. So what do I get? 180 n minus, now I have to multiply 180 by minus 2. So 180 into 2 is 360 degrees. Now here I have n and here also I have n. So let me bring all the n to one side. So here this is going to be 160n minus 180n because here it is plus. So when it comes this side it becomes minus and it is equal to minus 360 degrees. So this is 160 minus 180, which makes it negative 20 or minus 20n is equal to minus 360 degrees. So now I'm going to find the value of only n, that will be minus 360 divided by minus 20 because I'm taking this minus 20 to the other side. Now let me cancel. And now 36 divided by 2 is 18. and minus gets cancelled. So I have found the value of n. N is equal to 18. And what is n? N is the number of sides. So I have found the number of sides to be 18 if the interior angle, each one is 160 degrees. Second question, here the interior angle is 135 degrees. So let's use the same formula. Interior angle is n minus 2 into 180 by n, where n is the number of sides. Remember, n is the number of sides. This time the interior angle given to us is 135 degrees. This is equal to n minus 2 into 180 degrees divided by n. So again, we are going to transpose n to the other side. So it will come here as multiplication. So that becomes 135n. And that is equal to, here we are going to multiply 180 into n first. So that is 180n minus 180 into 2, which is 360. So now we're going to bring all the n's to one side. So we have 135n minus 180n, which is equal to minus 360. So now minus, the signs are different. So we put the sign of the bigger number and we subtract. So 180 minus 135 is 45. So 45n is equal to minus 360. Now let's find the value of only n. N is equal to minus 360 divided by minus 45. Now we can cancel first the minus signs. Then 360 can be divided by 45. 45 ones are 45. 45 into 8 is 360. So now we have found the value of n. N is 8. That means we have found the number of sides of this polygon whose interior angle is 135, and the answer is 8. It has 8 sides. This is the answer. Third one. This time the interior angle is 1/1/5 of a right angle. So let's work this out first. First convert this. 5 ones are 5 plus 1 is 6. So that is 6 by 5 of means into right angle is 90 degrees. So now let's cancel. 5 into 18 is 90. So now let's multiply 18 into 6. And that is 108 degrees. So that means the interior angle is 108 degrees. Now let's use the formula. The formula is this. So let's start. Interior angle is 108 and this is equal to n minus 2 into 180 degrees divided by n. So let's do this now. 108 into n is 108n, which is equal to 180 into n. Now it should become easier for your children because we are doing it repeatedly. So 180n minus, now multiply this into 2. So minus 360. So now let's bring all the n's to one side. So 108n minus 180n is equal to minus 360. So here we're going to minus 180 and 108. Signs are different. This is plus, this is minus. So our answer will have a minus sign. Now subtract 180 minus 108. And that is 72. So 72n is minus 360. So now let's find the value of n. N is equal to minus 360 divided by minus 72. So let's cancel this. We can cancel 360 and 72. 72 ones are 72. 72 into 5 is 360. So we have found the value of n, and n is equal to 5. And what is 5? 5 is the number of sides that we had to find. So we have found the number of sides to be 5. Question 4. Find the number of sides in a regular polygon if the exterior angle, this time we have been given the exterior angle and it is in the first one 1/3 of a right angle. So first let's find out how much 1/3 of a right angle is. So this is 1 by 3 of means into and right angle is 90 degrees. Now we can cancel. 3 ones are 3, 3 into 30 is 90. So 1/3 of a right angle is 30 degrees and this is the exterior angle. Now we have a formula. If exterior angle is given, to find the number of sides, this is the formula. Exterior angle is equal to 360 degrees by n. And what is n? N is the number of sides. So let's use this formula to find exterior angle is 30 degrees and this is 360 degrees by n. Now we are going to transpose n to the left hand side. It becomes 30 into n, which is 360. Now to find the value of n, n is 360 divided by 30 because I have transposed this 30 from here, which is multiplication, to the other side. It's become division. Now let me cancel the two zeros. So I can cancel 0 and 0. Now I can divide 36 by 3. 36, 3 ones are 3, 3 into 12 is 36. So now I have found n, which is the number of sides, and that is 12. So answer is 12 sides. Here, second one, again, this is the exterior angle. The exterior angle is given to us 2/5 of a right angle and we have to find the number of sides. So first, what is 2/5 of a right angle? 2 by 5 of is into right angle is 90 degrees. Now we can cancel 5 and 90. 5 into 18 is 90. So 5 ones are 5, 5 into 18. Now I can multiply 2 into 18. 2 into 18 is 36 degrees. Now this is my exterior angle. Now to find the number of sides, I can use this formula. Exterior angle is equal to 360 degrees by n. And what is n? N is the number of sides. So now let's write exterior angle is 36 degrees. This is equal to 360 degrees divided by n. I'm going to transpose n to the left hand side. So it becomes multiplication. So 36 into n is equal to 360. Now I'm going to leave n here and I'll write 360 and I'm going to move this 36 to the other side. It will become division 36. Now I can cancel 36 and 360. 36 into 10 is 360. So I have found the value of n, that is the number of sides, is 10. So this is my answer. So we will stop with this for now, children. In our next video, we will continue with the remaining questions. Thank you, children.